Welcome to another episode of AI for Business. I'm your host, bringing you the latest AI news and AI tools that matter. In today's episode, we're covering unauthorized AI experiments on Reddit users, OpenAI's new ChatGPT shopping features, Alibaba's powerful language models, and Meta's ambitious standalone AI assistant. Then we'll finish with an AI tool that builds custom automations across apps and share a prompt tip to make sure your content is legally sound. Let's turn to our first story, which raises serious ethical questions about AI research. Reddit recently revealed that researchers from the University of Zurich conducted an unauthorized AI experiment on users in the Change My View community. The researchers used AI chatbots to post over 1,700 comments, which were designed to argue about sensitive topics and test how well they could persuade people. What's worrying is that the bots pretended to be different types of people, including trauma survivors and counselors, to sound more convincing. According to Reddit's disclosure, the researchers went even further by using a separate AI system to analyze users' posting histories. This system captured personal details like age, gender, and political views, which were then used to craft targeted responses. The results of this experiment, though not peer-reviewed, showed that these targeted AI responses were 6 times more persuasive than the average human comment. Many of them received strong support from Reddit users, which shows how believable the bots were. This raises alarms about how AI might be used to influence public opinion in large numbers. Although social media platforms have dealt with bots before, today's AI is more advanced and harder to detect. OpenAI is going up against Google Shopping. The AI company added new shopping features that allow users to find, compare, and purchase products directly through ChatGPT. When users ask shopping-related questions like, "What are the best espresso machines under $200?" ChatGPT now displays detailed product cards, which include images of the products, current pricing information, star ratings from customer reviews, and direct links to websites where users can buy the items. This new feature is being tested initially with 4 main product categories, including fashion, beauty, home goods, and electronics, though OpenAI plans to expand these categories. A key part of this update is how OpenAI handles product recommendations, saying the results are fully organic, based on reviews, prices, and product descriptions, not paid ads. This is different from Google Shopping, which has been criticized for showing paid listings before more useful ones. OpenAI also said it won't earn any money from the products shown, which could mean a more neutral shopping experience than other platforms. In the future, OpenAI plans to connect this shopping feature with ChatGPT's memory, giving the chatbot the ability to remember your past interests and give more personalized suggestions based on what you've looked for before. OpenAI says its search tool has already handled 1 billion web searches in the past week. This shopping upgrade could make ChatGPT an even more popular way to discover and buy products online. Moving east in our AI news roundup, Chinese e-commerce and tech giant Alibaba has introduced a new group of 8 AI reasoning models called Qwen3. This launch marks a big step forward in open-source AI, with Alibaba claiming that its largest model performs better than some of the most advanced AI systems currently available. According to Alibaba, its most powerful model scores higher than both DeepSeek's R1 and OpenAI's O1 in key performance tests. The company also says it comes close to Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro in areas such as coding and mathematics. These models use a flexible reasoning method where users can switch between 2 modes, thinking mode for complex questions and non-thinking mode for simple tasks. All 8 models in the Qwen3 family support an impressive 119 languages across major language families, making them unusually versatile for global applications. Meta has just rolled out its first standalone Meta AI app, combining their Ray-Ban smart glasses companion with a new AI assistant that's focused on social integration. If you own a pair of Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, you might have noticed your MetaView app has undergone a major transformation. It's now been converted into Meta's central AI hub while maintaining your glasses settings functionality. What sets this AI assistant apart from others in the increasingly crowded market is its deep integration with your existing metadata. By tapping into your Meta profile and years of engagement history across platforms like Facebook and Instagram, Meta AI aims to provide responses that are more tailored to your preferences and interests than competitors can offer. The app introduces a social element with its Discover feed, that shows how other users are interacting with the AI, giving it an Instagram-like feel. Today's AI tool to try is n8n, an open-source automation platform that's gaining attention in the business world. This tool offers a straightforward drag-and-drop interface that makes creating automated workflows surprisingly simple. Think of those repetitive tasks that eat up your workday. n8n was designed to handle exactly those kinds of problems. What makes this tool particularly useful is how it connects different applications and services together. You start by setting up a trigger, maybe when a new lead comes into your CRM system or when someone fills out a form on your website. Then you create a series of actions that happen automatically in response. For example, you could set up the service to automatically send welcome emails to new subscribers, update your customer database when someone makes a purchase, or even post social media updates based on certain events. The possibilities are quite extensive since it integrates with hundreds of popular business applications. The prompt tip for today is about simulating marketing or legal pushback for your content. This technique helps you identify potential issues before your content reaches the real world. Here's how it works. Ask your AI to take a critical look at your marketing materials by pretending to be compliance or legal teams reviewing your content. For example, you might use a prompt like, "This product tagline just got flagged by the compliance team. They say it's misleading. Show a revised, brand-safe version." This approach forces the AI to examine your content from multiple angles and identify potential problems that might arise during actual reviews. It's valuable for product launches, advertising campaigns, and any customer-facing content where precision and accuracy matter. That's all for today's episode of AI for Business. Thanks for joining us as we explored the latest AI news and tools. If you found these insights helpful, please consider subscribing to our podcast, as it's the simplest way to stay current with AI developments. We'd also appreciate sharing this episode with friends and colleagues interested in AI. We'll be back tomorrow with more practical AI news, tools, and tips to help you in this rapidly changing landscape.